Hello friends, today we are going to start the part 4 of Polity Ghatnachakra 2023. In this part we are going to cover two chapters, that is articles plus schedules of the constitution. So let's move to the question straight away. Now, Indian constitution consists of more than 400 articles. Originally, when the constitution was formed, there were 22 parts, 395 articles and 8 schedules in the constitution, and right now schedules have been changed to 12 and there are around 25 parts in the constitution. Now, how many articles were originally there in the constitution? 395. The total number of articles and scheduled in the constitution. Now, how many parts, article and schedule was there in the original constitution? There were 22 parts, 395 articles and 8 schedules. The Indian constitution comprises of 395 articles, 22 parts and 12 schedules. Now, formation of new state, citizenship, fundamental right and setting up of administrative tribunal. We have to match these articles, match this list with the articles. Now, formation of new state is mentioned in article 3, citizenship is mentioned in part 2, fundamental rights is mentioned in part 3 and administrative tribunals are set up in part article 323A. It was added by 42nd Amendment Act. So the correct answer is A here. Now next is the provision that no bill imposing tax can be introduced in the legislature except on the recommendation of the president is covered by which article? So it is under 117. 117 के अंदर finance bill is or financial bill is defined and 110 article में money bill is defined. Okay, so let's move to the next question. Provision regarding financial bill is under article 117. Which of the following article provides for the all India services? So article 312 provides for the all India services. The all India services are under the central government. Which of the following pairs, institution and articles is properly matched? Supreme Court of India, this is wrong, it is mentioned in article 124. Election Commission, this is rightly mentioned, it is mentioned in article 324. UPSC is mentioned in 315 and Attorney General is mentioned in article 76. So ध्यान रखना. Now next is which of the following is not correctly matched? 39A, equal justice and free legal aid, this is matched correctly. Article 40 is also correct. 44 is also correct. Article 48 is not correct. Separation of judiciary from executive is mentioned in article 50, whereas article 48 mention about animal husbandry. Okay, now next question. Article 124 I already told you, mentions about Supreme Court. Article 5, article 352 mentions about emergency provisions. Article 5 about citizenship and 245 about distribution of legislative power. So correct answer is A. Now article 14 is a fundamental right, that is right to equality. Article 36 is a directive principle. Article 74 is Council of Minister, whereas article 368 is amendment of the constitution. So the correct answer here is D. Now next question is to admit new law by state. Article 2 is correct. Right to equality. Article 14. Protection against arrest and detention is mentioned in article 22 and the power of the president to assent the bill is mentioned in article 111. So the correct answer here is B. Now article 54, 75, 155 and 164. Let's see it. Now article 54 mentions about the election of president. Article 75 mentions about the appointment of prime minister and cabinet. Article 155 mentions about the appointment of governor of the state, and article 164 provides for the appointment of chief minister and council of minister of state. So the correct answer here is A. Now next is Article 61. 61 provides for the impeachment of President. 67 provides for the removal of Vice President. Article 94 provides for the removal of Speaker, and 90 provides for the removal of Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha. So correct answer here is C. Now Article 323 is about the administrative tribunals. 324 is about election commission. Article 330 is about the reservation of seats for SC and ST in Lok Sabha, whereas 320 stands for function of Public Service Commission. Correct answer is C. Now constitutional amendment is mentioned in Article 368. Finance Commission is mentioned in Article 280. Financial emergency is mentioned in Article 360, whereas All India Services is mentioned in Article 312. So the correct answer here is B. Now CAG is related to Article 148, whereas duties and power of CAGs are defined in Article 149. Finance Commission is mentioned in Article 280. Administrative Tribunal, I already told you, it's Article 323A, and UPSC is mentioned in Article 315. So correct answer here is A. Now, which of the following is not correctly matched? Interstate Council, it is right. Finance Commission is also right. Administrative Tribunal is right. UPSC is also right. So that is why the question is disputed. Article 17, this is wrong. It provides for prohibition of untouchability. Article 78 provides for establishment of Parliament. 192 is correct. 78 provides 70 is related to the Prime Minister, whereas 192 is related to disqualification of member of the state legislature. Correct पूछा है हमसे. Article 352 here is correct, proclamation of emergency, and 352 के अंदर national emergency can be declared. So this one is the correct answer. Now here Article 250 provides for High Court to be a court of record. 222 provides for transfer of judges from one High Court to another. 226 provides for power to issue writs, and 227 provides for power of superintendence over all High Court by the High Court. So the correct answer here is A. Now, under which article of the Indian Constitution there is a provision for High Court for Union Territory? So Article 241 के अंदर provision है. Now Article 148 provides for CAG. Article 131 provides for jurisdiction, means original jurisdiction of Supreme Court is mentioned. Article 76 provides for Attorney General, whereas Article 75 defines appointment of Union Minister. So B is the correct answer here. Now, equality before law is mentioned in Article 14. Right to work is mentioned in Article 41. Just and human condition is mentioned in 42, whereas free and compulsory education is mentioned in 45. Now, which of the following is not correctly matched? So C is not correctly matched. 71A provides for Nagaland, 71B for Assam, 71D for Andhra, whereas 371C provides for Manipur, not Meghalaya. Now, schedules का chapter देखते हैं. The Constitution provides for 8 schedules originally, but now there are 12 schedules. Okay. So total number of schedules in Constitution, there are 12. Indian Constitution has 12 schedules. The Indian Constitution has 20 parts. There are 390 articles. 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th were added by the Constitutional Amendment Act. This is right. This is wrong. Constitution has 25 parts and there are 390 articles. No, there are over 400 articles. So only 3 is correct. Now, which of the following schedules of the Indian Constitution lists the name of state and specifies the territory? First schedule provides for that. Second schedule provides for salaries of officer holding public office. Third schedule provides for oath and affirmation. बट याद रखना, ओथ एंड अफर्मेशन प्रेसिडेंट की इज मैंशनड इन डिफरेंट आर्टिकल. प्रेसिडेंट की ओथ थर्ड शेड्यूल में नहीं आती. एंड फोर्थ शेड्यूल प्रोवाइड्स फॉर द सीट्स in Council of States. that is Rajya Sabha. If a new state of Indian Union is to be created, which one of the following schedule of the constitution must be amended? So first constitution must be amended as it provides for state and union territories. Now fourth schedule provides for, अभी बताया मैंने, allocation of seats of council of state. Which of the following are enshrined in the third schedule? Oath and affirmation for a minister for the union, बिल्कुल correct है. Oath and affirmation of the Chief Justice of Supreme Court, this is correct. Form of oath and office for president, this is wrong. President अभी मैंने बताया, it's not mentioned in third schedule. And forms of oath and affirmation made by member of parliament, 4 is also correct. So C is the correct answer. ठीक है, this is here mention किया हुआ है. President की oath is given in article 360 of the constitution and not in third schedule. Now third schedule हमसे पूछा है, provides for oath and affirmation. Fourth schedule, allocation of seats in council of state. Seventh schedule provides for the different list. 3 टाइप की लिस्ट होती है, यूनियन लिस्ट, स्टेट लिस्ट एंड कॉन्करेंट लिस्ट. यूनियन लिस्ट के अंदर में यूनियन कैन मेक लॉज और सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट कैन मेक लॉज. स्टेट लिस्ट में जो भी सब्जेक्ट्स है, द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट कैन मेक लॉज, वेयर एज कॉन्करेंट लिस्ट में बोथ स्टेट एंड सेंटर कैन मेक लॉ. बट दोनों ने अगर एक ही चीज़ पे लॉ बनाया तो सेंटर का लॉ प्रिवेल करता है ओवर द स्टेट्स लॉ. फोर्थ शेड्यूल काउंसिल ऑफ स्टेट. सिक्स शेड्यूल ट्राइबल एरियाज. एट शेड्यूल लैंग्वेज एंड नाइन शेड्यूल लैंड रिफॉर्म्स. नाइन शेड्यूल आई वॉज एडेड बाई द फर्स्ट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट एक्ट 1951 एंड इस किसके टेन्योर में हुआ था ऐड? तो जवाहरलाल नेहरू के टेन्योर में. ओके, ध्यान रखना. Now seventh schedule provides for distribution of legislative power. Eighth schedule provides for languages. Ninth schedule provides for validation of certain act. 10th schedule provides for disqualification on ground of defection. 10th schedule was added by 52nd Amendment Act. ठीक है, so correct answer here is C. 7th schedule again provides for union state concurrent list. 8th schedule provides for languages. 9th schedule provides for validation of certain act and 10th schedule provides for disqualification. D is the correct answer. So 9th schedule was introduced in the Constitution of India during the Prime Ministership of, अभी बताया मैंने, जवाहरलाल नेहरू. To give constitutional protection, state land reforms and which of the law have been included, तो 9th schedule में ऐड किए गए हैं. The parliament can place a particular law in the 9th schedule of a constitution, बिल्कुल correct है. The validity of law in the 9th schedule cannot be examined by any court and no judgment can be made out. This is wrong. Any law which comes under the 9th schedule can be challenged in Supreme Court plus High Court, and both can declare the acts that are included in 9th schedule as null and void or unconstitutional. Next is Coelho case is related to which schedule? It is related to 9th schedule. Provision of the 3 legislative lists found in schedule 7. Union list में there are 97 entries, state list में there are 66 entries and concurrent list में 47 entries. B is the correct answer. Economic planning comes under 7th schedule and is a matter of concurrent list. It means both central government plus state government can make laws. Now 19th, economic planning is under concurrent list. Prevention of cruelty to animals is listed in which schedule? So it is listed in concurrent list. Which of the following is the subject of concurrent list? So criminal matters, whereas police, radio and television, foreign affairs, these all are the, while police is the matter of state list, radio and television and foreign affairs are the matters of union list. Now which of the following entry is subject of concurrent list? The population control and family planning is a subject of concurrent list. Now public health and sanitation, which we have to tell which of the following is not correctly matched. Public health and sanitation is a matter of state list, census is a matter of union list, and allocation of seats in the council of minister is mentioned in 2nd schedule. This is wrong. It is mentioned in 4th schedule. whereas anti-defection is mentioned in 10th schedule. Which of the following subject lies in the concurrent list? Agriculture is a matter of state list. Education is a matter of concurrent list. Police is a matter of state list, whereas defense is a matter of union list. So B is the correct answer. Now education was initially a state subject, was transferred to concurrent list by, it was transferred to 42nd amendment. Beside the education, weights and measures, wildlife, forest, administration of justice, these were some of the things that were transferred from the state subject to concurrent list. By which amendment of the constitution were the forests were transferred from the state list to concurrent list? अभी बताया मैंने, they were transferred by the 42nd Amendment Act. Now forest is a matter of concurrent list, this is true. We have to say which is not correct. Stock exchange, concurrent list, which is wrong, it is a matter of union list. Now we have to match in here. Union list, census is a matter of union list. State list, police and public order, concurrent list, population control and family planning. Whereas residuary subjects is a, for example, state research. Whereas residuary subjects, on residuary subjects, central government or union can make laws. Now, which of the following provision of the constitution have a bearing on education? So DPSPs and rural and urban local bodies, that is panchayats and municipalities. 5th schedule, 6th schedule, both are related to tribal areas. And 7th schedule में which one is there? 7th schedule में contains list of union, state and concurrent subjects. So all have the binding. Now 10th schedule relates to anti-defection law. 10th schedule relates to anti-defection law. It was added by 52nd Amendment Act. Which of the following is not included in the union list? Banking is included, insurance is included and census is included. Gas is not included in the union list. Gas is a matter of state list. Now which of the following is not included in the union list? Defense, foreign affairs and railways. Agriculture is a matter of state list. Which of the following is included in the state list under 7th schedule? Railway police is under state list. Which of the following is in the state list? Railway police. Which of the Panchayati Raj is a subject included in Panchayati Raj in a state list? Which of the following subject in list 3 concurrent list? So concurrent police is a matter of state list, prisons is a matter of state list, public order is a matter of state list, where a criminal procedure is a matter of concurrent list. Marriage, divorce and adoptions, these are mentioned on the concurrent list. Which list and entry of the 7th schedule is related to election of legislature of the state? Both A and C, list 1, list 2, list 1 may entry 72 and list 2 may entry 27, both are related. Now the right of government to impose taxes and fee is provided in which schedule? 7th schedule, it is provided in union list. Now land reforms comes under state list. Anti-defection, it comes under 10th schedule. Anti-defection law is under 10th schedule. Under which schedule of the constitution can the transfer of land of a tribal land to private party for mining be declared null and void? So this is on the 5th schedule. Now if a particular area is brought under 5th schedule of the constitution, which one of the following statements best reflect the consequence of it? This would prevent the transfer of land of tribal people to non-tribal people. Yes, this is correct. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution contains special provision for the administration and control of scheduled areas in several states? So it is mentioned in 5th schedule. ठीक है, 5th schedule में all of the scheduled areas and scheduled tribe. 6th schedule में there is special provisions regarding to the states AM, TM. AM मतलब Assam, Meghalaya, T for Tripura and M for Mizoram. The provision of 5th and 6th schedule on the constitution are made to protect the interest of scheduled tribes, प्रोविजन ऑफ शेड्यूल ऑफ 6 स्टेट डज नॉट अप्लाई टू, अभी मैंने बताया इट अप्लाइज टू AMTM, असम, मेघालय, त्रिपुरा, मिजोरम. तो असम, मेघालय, त्रिपुरा एंड मणिपुर इज रॉन्ग. 6th schedule deals with the administration of tribal areas of Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram. Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram. B is the right answer. Provision of 6th schedule are applicable to which of the following state? So it is Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. So A is the right one. Autonomous district के regarding, each autonomous district has 30 members. बिल्कुल सही. 24 members of autonomous are elected by voting and rest 6 are nominated by governor. This is wrong. And right to direct the act passed by the Parliament of India and Autonomous District of Assam lies with the governor. 3 is also right. So 1 and 3 is correct answer. 2 is not right because not 6 but 4 members are nominated by governor. Okay, ध्यान रखना इसको. 11th schedule is related to पंचायती राज. 11th schedule में how many items are there? So there are 29 items. With this हमने articles and schedule complete किया है. In the next lecture we will start from the preamble. Thank you.